Good morning. Here we are on Wednesday, checking in, job site check-in up here in Scottsdale. Got the ICF crew up here going, small ICF crew. Got them kind of scattered out today. Got a couple guys in Hawaii and a couple guys on another job site, and but a few guys here finishing up a couple stem walls. We've got some ICF previously stacked. That's about 10 foot tall retaining wall. Retaining, and then we got some retention on the other side, and we've got that all poured, and now we are just working on filling in some of the other ICF for stems. Got a little bit going on over there, and we got some over in the corner, and then we got a big chunk of ICF going in over here. We'll get that all poured, and then they'll come in here and get their concrete slab down, and then we'll show it back up here in about 30 days and be walking on a concrete slab, and then we'll get on up with the ICF up to top plate. Look at that view there. What a beautiful view. Beautiful neighborhood, exciting project with Finer Touch Construction. Those guys are awesome. Got a big old pool back here with about a 20-foot negative edge and a big old hot tub, but fun project. So keep checking in with you and keep you up to date on the Weber's residence in Scottsdale. And like I said, about 30 days they should have the slab down, and we'll be up to main level and knocking it out for getting ready for framing. All right, from ICF Specialist, have a good day.